this is the whole shebang. It looks big in the photo, pero tama size lang siya. Okay lang rin for me na hindi na open to all the way. Kasi wala din naman akong masyadong stuff na nakalagay dun sa corner nun. So, yeah, this is the finish and complete. He will mag-a-add pa ng door dito. Tapos, yeah. Yan. Now, it's time for me to order. Now for the final look of my desk. On top of my makeup organizer, or what used to be a makeup organizer, is a old jar with coins. I used to have candies here, but those expired already, and I just reused the jar. Beside it is my extra candles that I use for my oil diffuser, and on top of it is just the shell and this Saint Joseph. I guess I'm not really sure. Anyways, beneath it are a bunch of markers that I collect and don't often use, to be honest. And here are just a bunch of extra jars that I'm still not sure what to put here. These are a bunch of brush pens that I have and still don't use again. I'm still debating whether or not I'll put back my Sharpies here because I really like how it looks like all the colors in there. So yeah, I'm not really sure, but yeah. Anyways, these are a bunch of pins that I also collected throughout the years, and on the back are just a bunch of markers again. I still have a few extra spaces here, so I'm still not sure whether or not what will I do or use to fill this up. I'm still missing a few of those tiny jars, so yeah. Behind the organizer is obviously my window, which I love staring at. It's also a great view of the sunrise, which is very fun to take photos of. And beneath it, I have here decorated is just a bunch of things. I have here is a jar of dried flowers, fairy lights that you saw me set up earlier, and around my room you'll see a bunch of these ceramic ladies or princesses because it's something I adore collecting as well. Next to it is this Eiffel Tower that was gifted to me by I forgot who. Anyways, and next to it is my foam board that you also saw me fix earlier with a quote that reads, "Begin even if you have no idea how it ends." So I really like that. I really like to change that every once a while. So yeah, next I have this bust that again I got from Shoppe. Underneath it is a box where I keep the letters for my foam board, and last is this recycled jar that holds my mostly used pens and pencils. Now moving to the final part of my desk tour, all I have here is first this curtain that I only put up because of the lacy texture. I got this fabric from Divisoria and my lola just sewed it up. It definitely completes the look that I was going for in my desk. So beside it is more dried flowers that I bought individually from Dapitan. I just placed it in an empty alcohol bottle. Beside it is this pink candle holder that I also got from Dapitan. I mainly use it also for decor. Next is my Bear trash can from Miniso. This usually move around from place to place because Cleo likes to lay in my desk, so she often tips this over. Next I have is this phone holder that pretty much the name is the whole gist of it. And last is this Papelmerity box that I've got forever. I just keep my chargers in here for my iPad and my phone. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the overall look of my desk. I won't be showing you guys my whole desk still because I am still waiting on a few things to arrive. So yeah, expect an updated desk tour again pretty soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, virtual hugs and kisses. Bye guys.